Hello, good evening, dear friends, followers, and fellow buddies. If you've already joined me, great. If you haven't, I'm waiting for you. Till then, those who are going to see this in the repeat telecast, hello and greetings to everybody. This is Shambhavi from Save, Scrap, and Sue. What's the celebration? Yes, we turned 5. If you're going to see me looking here and there a bit, that's because I don't have other panelists out here. Maybe somebody is watching. If you are, yes, I can see now our buddies have started joining in. Vidya, good evening and thank you so much for being a buddy. It's wonderful. I love the way you sang for us in Sanskrit. Thank you so much. I hope your friends are watching this and they know that what an important work you are doing along with other buddies for Mother Earth. Mother Earth, yes, our mother. We always hold a special place in our heart for our moms, our mother. Then why do we forget about our Mother Earth? Actually, we don't forget. What we don't know is how to help her. Save, scrap, and sew. The help which we do is save the fabric from the tailor's cloth from the landfill. Vidya has another message wishing SSS a very happy birthday. Actually, from the morning, I have been receiving so many messages on our group, everybody wishing themselves, us. So, this is somebody who's an FB admin and who says here, happy birthday. And I don't know, you need to log in with your own name. Thank you for initiating this. Yes, but thank you for continuing this. Mamta, thank you very much for being a buddy. So our journey started with 5 buddies, 5 kilos of scrap, and today we complete 5. The time is just about 5 too. Yes, did I plan this event today? No. Did we plan to do something? I'm not sure. But yes, when I know that the cause was good, so many people just joined us, and slowly we became buddies, friends, and family for each other. When I say the word buddy, it usually means that somebody who watches your back for you, somebody who takes care of you. For us, buddies also means that we are all the same. There is no difference. Everybody who is a part of Save, Scrap, and Sew, irrespective of their age, irrespective of their gender, irrespective of what their background is, everybody is same, equal. Really, there is no bias amongst us. Those who are ready to take the lead, they go ahead. Those who are happy to follow, they go ahead. Those who joined us along the way and were not able to continue, they are still a part of us. They still feel for us. I'm always grateful for them for the time that they gave to us at that particular time in their life, that particular phase in their life, because they helped us propagate this to more and more people. I'm going to take in a few comments here because I have friends, buddies, Deepa. Thank you so much. Darling buddies, see, doesn't that say to you? Everybody thinks that they are a part of it. Thank you, Deepa. Sadia, good evening. Happy birthday. Thank you for being a buddy. And yes, I know all of us do our own bit, whatever is possible. So thank you for being there. Mr. Narayan from Bangalore, thank you so much for taking the time, joining us here, and wishing and congratulating us. Thank you. Gul, happy birthday, SSS and all buddies. We miss you, Gul. We haven't seen you in a while, but we know that you've been busy with certain things. You're moving and shifting, but the contribution that you've done always for stitching, propagating the cause, giving us cheer, encouraging us in our WhatsApp groups, that has really made a lot of difference to us. Thank you for being a buddy. So this looks like my niece, though she signed in from her mom's account. Thank you, Purvi, and thank you, Apurva, for being buddies and for this message here. Whoever is signing in as an admin from Save Scrap and Sew, please sign in as yourself. I won't know who it is. Geeta Krishnan. Thank you so much, Geeta. Very silently, very quietly, you have helped Save Scrap and Sew in a very big way from Abu Dhabi. I'm grateful to my Abu Dhabi buddies because it never let them deter where they were. They just believed in the cause and they continued supporting. Thank you, Geeta. Yes, I'm searching for the messages because I'm trying to do a couple of things by myself. So please bear with me. And if I miss your message, just tell me again that I've missed it. Girija, thank you so much, Girija. Thanks for being a buddy. Thank you for joining here. Congratulations to all of us. Rupi, Tagda Raho, you are doing a great cause in India with the special needs children and with parents of special needs children running your Tulip School. And I know that every time we post anything on Facebook, you always encourage us. That is so much of a support for us. Liking, following our page makes a big difference to us. Thank you, Rupi. Mr. Satish Desai, thank you so much. Thank you, Bhavna. Yes, I'm waiting for you, Gul. And thank you so much. Thank you, Rupi, for telling me you're proud of me and proud of us. I really don't know. Those of you who are admins, go back, log out, log in again. Bindu. Thank you, Bindu, all the way from Bahrain. You've been my friend for roughly about 25 years now, always supporting along with my homemakers group, all my other friends who sent me special congratulatory messages today. Thank you. Thank you, Bindu. Yes, Gul. Thank you so much. Jayashri. Where are you, Jayashri? Whenever I see all those pictures which I share in all my presentations, which are neatly labeled, everything is cut out, and there is small label with the masking tape saying so many inches by so many inches, I'm always reminded of the wonderful contribution that you continued doing for Save Scrap and Sew. You were so diligent. You took the work back home, you cut and sorted it out and labeled it, which made it so much easier for us to stitch. So when people ask us, do I need to know stitching? Look at my background here. Yes, we created this. This thanks to Ananya who created this with this sheet, with the bag here, to tell people that this is what we do. And when people ask me, I don't know stitching, what should we do? That is the time when I tell them actually that sorting, cutting, labeling, ironing, all these are so important for us. When all these come together, only then one can stitch it and put it out for this. So though people might be seeing this as the output, the product which comes out, actually there's a lot of hard work which goes behind this. So thank you one more time, Jayashri. I'm looking at the message from Nargis. Nargis, thank you so much. I know that you have been a great go-between between companies who throw away material like this. You reach it out to us so that we can make sheets, bags, and give it away to people who really need it. You have always encouraged us, motivated us, and told that there are samples. And yes, compared to the tailor scrap samples, these are easier to stitch. So sometimes we do indulge ourselves in that way also. Thank you, Nargis. Anu, thank you so much. Yes, thank you for being a buddy. Leela and Anu, both of you, thank you so much for being a buddy. I really appreciate each and every one of you. Geeta, it's an innovative idea of using scrap to make useful things. Innates of the Anbagam and patients at the Dialysis Center, definitely appreciate your product. Thank you so much, Geeta. When we make these things, most time when people ask us, what should I do with it? Where can we give it? We always say that there are so many people who are waiting. We don't hoard anything. And our buddies, try to give away to the people who really need it. That is a time when people like Geeta come forward and help us find suitable people where we can actually go ahead and hand this over. Thank you so much, Geeta, for that. So, Sita Lakshmi Ramanan, thank you so much. I'm not going to read what you have written because I may start crying. Again, somebody who's an admin, who has a responsibility of being an admin, please come back with your name or at least type in your name so I know who it is. Jyoti Ramesh, thank you for being a buddy. Wherever you were, you always kept supporting us, whether you were in Dubai, whether you were in America, your heart was always with us and you kept stitching whenever you could. The fact that the Sharjah group became so big and churned out and made so many things was thanks to Madhura, thanks to you for the guidance, Jyoti, that you people gave to them and to their efforts, the buddies, every one of them who takes efforts to learn, be open-minded, such a good quality that we have. And I think one of the biggest assets all buddies have is we want to do something with our hands. It's not about money. It is about our time and our efforts that we spend trying to learn, trying to mentor, trying to teach other people. Thank you, Ninu, for being a buddy. Bharti, thank you very much. You've been a great buddy. Such a lovely message you sent, the video message. I hope after this live gets over, people take some time, go to our YouTube channel, see all the messages which came in, see what is actually behind this. Why are we all together in this? What is the bond? What is it which is binding us? My dear friend Surekha, I know it's Subbalakshmi out here, but how can I call you anything else except Surekha? Thank you so much for always watching out for me and for encouraging. Navneeta, do you remember the time when there was an interview and you came all the way from Abu Dhabi? That was so nice. It was wonderful. I did wonder here at this time whether what we were going to do for our 5th birthday. But I think that the fact that we are able to go live, we have so many people connected, and this is actually going to be for posterity. This, whatever this video streaming which is happening, I think we are just blessed. That's all. Neeti, thank you. That's all the way from London. You've always been a great supporter. Thank you, Neeti. I really appreciate it for taking time to come and post here and say hello to us. Sadhya saying thank you. Archana Malhotra, thank you so much for all your wishes. All my buddies, thank you so much. Again, one SSS with such 2 lovely hearts. Please tell me who you are. I know. So whenever we say that we are making something, we are cutting, sorting, we don't normally try to bother about who did what. It is the ultimate product which is important. But then there is always time when somebody will say, you know what, I cut that small piece, or, I was the one who stitched this panel. Why is this lying around still? Didn't we finish this long time back? There's a piece, there's a bit of each of us in each bit that we put together. And that is why even now I can't identify from my thanks to my Facebook admins who is who. Sometimes they are telling me and sometimes they aren't. Akila, I must give you credit, Akila, for having taken the cause of Safe Scrap Suit to Musaffa, for initiating all the beautiful buddies out there, getting them to give a comment, a video, and for us. And I hope that they are watching here, and I hope that they are able to see this. Prema, one and only, truly blessed. Prema, I can safely say, I don't know if I can say this for anybody, but I can say this for you. If you were not there, I don't know if Safe Scrap and so would have come here this fast. We would have probably reached somewhere, but I don't know when, where, how it would have happened. My story with Prema goes back to the days when we were living in the same building. When I sent her a WhatsApp message saying, this is what I'm doing. Prema, what do you think? And she said, okay, let's go ahead, put this in our building group. And then 30th September 2015, 10:30 a.m. It was a random day. We didn't really choose it. It was a Wednesday. as is today. And we said, let's get together and let's see what we can do. It was people who trusted Prema, I think, more than what they trusted me. They knew about me, but they're like, okay, let's see what she has to say. Let's see what she has to do. And they just came along. From there to now, saving 5 tons of scrap from the landfill at least, having created more than 2,000 of these bed sheets, having created more than 4,500 bags. It's a long journey that we've come together, Prema. Thank you so much for being a buddy, and thank you for the support and faith that you have always shown. And thanks to all friends of Prema's who believed in her, who supported her, and who just tagged along with her and with me. Parvati, thank you so much. You came all the way to Thane when we were doing the event there. Thanks to Geeta, who moved from here, from Dubai to Thane. We had the event there, and you came and you wanted to attend just because you believed that there was a cause. Thank you, Parvati. Thank you, Rupa. And is that all the way from Bangalore, Rupa? Thank you so much. Nirmala Iyer, Nimma. The love that you've given us, me, your mom started that with my mom. Generations continue. You and I bind together. Your daughter Neeti and I, we bond together. There is something to be said. And in all this, somewhere SSS came and started playing the dynamics. Thank you so much for supporting. Thank you for helping with the distribution to the people who really needed it. Appa, God bless buddies, Appa. Tagda raho. I love you. Yeah, I'm searching for the messages. Please, people, if I miss something, let me know. You can WhatsApp me because I'm watching the WhatsApp also. Zahra, I know I'm supposed to call you Zahra, but you were always Tarannum. Thank you so much. I remember that message that you sent me from the Facebook group, I think, from the Facebook page. And then you came and met us, and you were churning sheets like this. The silk ones, the satin ones, it didn't make any difference. So you say here, congratulations, Shambhavi, noble cause. Thank you for having me do my bit to save the landfill. Thank you so much. I really appreciate having you as a buddy. So when we had these different type of materials, what were we doing with them? Did we really have time to think this is cotton, this is silk, this is satin or lace? No, we didn't have time to do anything. We just wanted to keep on going, keep on moving, just getting the scrap out. And I say this to everybody in every forum, when we don't have time to clean our own clutter, our own cupboards, where is the time to clean somebody else's? So all those buddies who opened their hearts and their homes to all the scrap which did not belong to them, once they have finished working on it, we have no idea where it goes. I'm grateful to you. And it is for our Mother Earth. Thank you so much. Mohini, my quiet buddy who used to just live across my door, I miss you. And I'm sure you miss me too. You just come quietly, do your work, and go off. But the contribution was consistent. Thank you so much, Mohini. Yes, it is easy to donate money and old clothes. Time is what we need. And that is the reason why we never took any personal scrap or fabric or material. We never took any old scrap or material. Actually, what happened is one of the things, the objective that I had when we started this was save scrap and so that we take tailor's material and we do something with it. And then slowly we started spreading the message that you should actually be going and telling the tailor that give me back my scrap. I think we are closer to that objective, that more people have become conscious, more people have become aware. Bring your scrap back. If you know some stitching or sorting, do something to it. Otherwise, give it to somebody who knows how to do it. And I know people, friends, family who have told me that they always use their scrap. They did something with it. They never threw it away. Maybe they were not conscious at that time that they were actually saving the landfill. What they just wanted to do was make sure that nothing goes to waste, which is what sustainability is all about. As much as you can, save it. And definitely when you bring a cloth back home, even if it's a small piece, which is like this, you can use it for dusting. Don't be buy duster clothes. Don't be buy, you can use it for wiping dish. You can use it for so many things once you decide. And if nothing, make some nice pretty ribbons and decorations for any of the festivals that you have, making buntings for your room. So many things are possible. Join us with it, and then we will share more on what we can do. I have here Aslesha. Thank you so much, Aslesha. So I have another buddy called Aslesha who's here. I'm wondering, I don't think this is her because the spelling is different. And that Aslesha takes full credit for taking care of the Discovery Gardens alone by herself. Mamta, thank you so much for being a buddy. Happy birthday. Blessed to be part of the team. SS Rahe Hazaro Saal. Thank you, Prema. Monica. From the morning, you've been making such wonderful, amazing designs and decorations and sharing. I'm going to share that in a bit as soon as I get some time. Zahra. Usha, thank you for being a buddy. मुझे थोड़ी सी शिकायत रहेगी कि एक वीडियो नहीं भेजा आपने अपना फेस दिखाते हुए. कितना बढ़िया काम करते हो, कितना सपोर्ट करते हो, कितने शीट्स बनाते हो, कितने बैग्स बनाते हो. बहुत पुण्य किए हैं आपने और हमने. थैंक यू. Lena, my quiet buddy. I just realized that I think many of my buddies are the quiet ones. Probably I do the talking for all of them. Thank you so much, Lena, for believing in us, coming week over week consistently and working with us. Thank you. Ma, thank you so much. Tagda Rao, I saw your message. I saw your tag. I know others will see it. Thank you so much. Thank you, Gul, for those kind words of selfless service. Mallika Mohan, thank you so much for your message. Thank you, everybody who is here on this live right now. And the faculty that I am, as usual, what I'm going to do is post this link here in the chat box. Please go to this link, and the first question that you will see there please answer this. You can see the answers as they come up here. Are you a friend, follower, buddy, or a potential buddy of Save, Scrap, and Sue? Let's get interactive. Please post out here what you think. And let me know who you are. All those people who are watching, and I know there are a few of them. Yes, if there is some technical glitches, be a little bit patient with me, please. Friend, buddy. Thank you. Potential buddy. Great. I like that. Okay. So let us look at what the next question is. The next question that I'm asking you, especially since we have buddies here, the participants can submit multiple times. Go ahead in the same link. go ahead and say, what does Save, Scrap and Sew mean to you? And I'm just going to take a minute to remove this comment from the screen. And while you're filling those, I have Vandana Sanjay here saying, SSS, very happy birthday. Thank you so much. Vijaya, thank you so much. Thanks to Mami. Please convey my namaskarams to her. More and more strength to you and SSS. So glad to have been part. Vijaya, you take a major role in having propagated Save, Scrap and Sew to all your friends, your Toastmaster friends, and the friends from Karama. Thank you so much for that. Let us see where we have reached on what does Save, Scrap, Sew mean to you. Are you able to see my screen? Stress Buster, Blessing, Eco Warriors. Oh, how many? Yes, I'm just quickly trying to see where Facebook Live is. Where has it reached? Thank you so much. Please keep posting in this. The link will be open. Okay, so yes, Prema has this to say about Usha, dedicated. We see backstage. She motivates that we don't sit idle. Correct. Yes, Prema. Like I said, that is so true. Sabha, thank you so much. You took us to the gardens discovery area. You messaged me. You invited me into your home. We did a demo. And then we reached new levels with Save, Scrap and Sew. Thank you so much for having been playing a major role in propagating Save, Scrap and Sew. And yes, what did you call us? Eco Warriors. Yes, all of us are. Thank you. Kalpana, thank you so much for taking time for coming here and messaging and saying hello. Vandana, you're a buddy. I'm so sorry. Sometimes the names confuse me and sometimes the pictures are not so clear. Please forgive me if I'm not able to connect because I'm trying to do too many things at the same time. Akila, I know you're a buddy. You're supposed to click on the link there. Yes, Amma, somebody is calling Eco Warriors, which is what we are. Deepti, thank you so much for your kind wishes. All of the above, okay. Enjoyed attending SSS sessions. Sheila, save environment, share social service. So let me go back a little bit to when we started. I told you 30th September 2015 and a Wednesday morning. What was it which we did right, which is actually helping us celebrate our 5th birthday today? We met every week. Wednesday, mostly. If Wednesday was a holiday, then some other day. We met consistently for 2 hours. More than 2 hours, it would not have been possible because we all had other commitments as mothers, as people who are taking care of their homes, outside work, so many other commitments, so many other causes that we were all related to. So from the very beginning, Save, Scrap and Sew was only a 2-hour session on a Wednesday. When we started, people would join in little later or they would come in early and leave. And then over a period of time, everyone started adjusting their schedule around Save, Scrap, Sew session, saying, no, we have this. This is a commitment which we are making to ourselves. When people didn't come, we never asked them why you didn't come. When they stayed extra or they said, okay, give me some work, we never asked them anything. 30th September 2015 is the day I set up the Facebook page. We started recording every task that we did, whether it was cutting, sorting, having a session, having discussion, everything was recorded. What was the advantage of all that recording or the pictures and putting it into document? The main reason was our consistency was reflected. People who were watching our page saw that there was constant effort which is going on, whether we were at home by ourselves, whether we met as a group and we did, there was constant effort. This consistency actually encouraged people to message us through our Facebook page. And slowly the group started growing. People say so many things about social media, but I'm grateful to Facebook and WhatsApp, which actually helped propagate our cause, reach the correct people. And I don't know how many people saw our messages, but the fact that they liked it, they shared it. We have about 3,000 followers on Facebook. We have about 450 on Instagram. No, I don't try to make advertisements and sell and tell them that, no, you must do. I never tell people that this is your life. You have to do this. If you believe in it, if you want to do something, you feel the need, go ahead and do it. Over a period of time, as people grew, awareness was generated. And like I said in the beginning, my objective was always that we save our own scrap. Slowly, the teenagers joined us. Now, when the teenagers joined us, it was thanks to Geeta and her student Amrit, Renuka. They became a family, Venkat, Amrit, and Renuka. Renuka went ahead and bought a machine because Amrit wanted her to buy a machine. And with that, developed our Teen Buddies program. The Teen Buddies program was for 7 weeks, 7 sessions rather. The students would come. All I always asked anybody to do was bring a smile and scissors. And then they came in, they started cutting, sorting. I think their view about life in general, about scrap, everything changed. I could see that change in them. They started acting so much more responsibly, not just towards the scrap, towards each other, because it was teamwork. They worked together. They learned to forgive each other's mistakes. Because I always said, it's okay, it's scrap, it's not ours. If you can't cut a 10 by 10 perfectly, we'll cut a 5 by 5. If it becomes a very small scrap, no problem. We'll put it into a pillow like this. It's okay. It's all right. We learn to forgive. Because of that, the bonds deepened. There was no conflict. There was no cause, whether it was the adults group or whether there was a teen group, there was no conflict. And then whenever there was any kind of maybe a little bit, what should I do? Then we always said, the cause is bigger than all of us. The cause is what carried us through. The fact that there was no money involved in it, that helped us focus. Many people actually used to message me, especially in the earlier days, and say, I can help you sell this, I can help you market it. And I always said, no. Please tell me somebody, you know somebody who needs it, let us give it to them. Let us help people without expecting anything in return. Let me go back to some more messages here. Lalita Ravi, all the way from States, my sister-in-law, who believed me, shared, liked, always cheered. Thank you so much, Lalita. I really appreciate your support. And I also remember the time when you had your dance program, Ritu Samhara, and I think it was Nada Bindu. There were these parents who used to come with their children to take part. And I said, why are the parents waiting here? Let us do some safe scrap. And then in the program, we actually had a demo. The ladies had put up something. And it was something which gave happiness because there was something tangible in our hands to show for all the hours that we spent out there. Thank you, Lalita. Prema, we never wanted to miss an SSS session, Wednesday, 11 a.m. dedicated to SI. In fact, we took homework to trying to do some stitching in our spare time. Yes, I know that. So I'm reminded of those days when initially we'd started, and everybody says call to action. And so being a marketing faculty, obviously I'm a little bit biased. And everybody would say that there should be call to action. I would say, please think about the earth, think about some time. But very soon I started sending messages that Please take care of your family also while you're doing this, because SSS just grew on people. So today, actually, I want to not only thank all my buddies, I want to thank all the family members, whether it was the children, the spouse, whoever was a part of SSS, became an SSS family. So it was not just the buddy alone. Again, those people who were working, was this something just for homemakers? No, those who were working sent me messages. I'm working. How can I help? So I remember a time, even when Sheila, our buddy earlier who messaged, when she was working, we used to take cut. I used to take sorted material and hand it over to her. She would stitch and she would give it back. Later on, when she left her job, she started doing mentoring the group, being with the group the full time, and doing all the other tasks as well. So while we had groups which was the people who were stitching, we also had people who were only cutting and sorting. Aparna, thank you so much. Gives us very good feeling when you create something for an unknown person without expectation. That's the beauty of SSS. Thank you, Shambhavi, and happy birthday, SSS. It is our Save Scrap and Sew. It is our birthday. So I should thank you for being a buddy, and we thank each other that we are together in this. Thank you. Meena, happy birthday, SSS. Thank you so much. I remember the time, Meena, when you went to the tailor and you brought some scrap, then we handed over to somebody and then they sorted and cut. Over a period of time, when the scrap started becoming more than what we could cope, I would tell people that if they wanted to bring tailor scrap, then please just sort it also and give it to us. So that was also a purpose, that it is not just the tailor scrap. Again, people ask me, even now, especially from India, I get these messages that if the tailor asks for money for giving the scrap, then I say no, because we don't have any money. We may be able to buy 1 kilo, 2 kilo, 3 kilo, 5 kilo, but what will we do? There will never be a zero scrap day. So we don't buy anything. We try to keep our cost as low as possible. That is the reason why our bags actually have no zips, no buttons, no elastic. We can buy 10, 100, 1,000 zips. After that, there will never be zero scrap. So our bags are made with lining, with pocket, but there is no any kind of additional input into that. Only the stitching. Thank you, Atimber, for your wishes. My friend Radhika, thank you so much. Smile, smile. Thank you so much, Monica. I think I'm getting a lot of messages here in the group. So I have Sangeeta here. Sangeeta, please join us now. We are on it now. Let me take a few minutes to share my WhatsApp messages with all of you. So you can see the efforts which has gone in from the morning, all the friends sending us messages. Happy birthday, SSS. Such lovely posters. Sri Devi, Ishwari, Usha. If I miss your name, please be patient and please don't get upset. The cause is bigger than all of us. And Sheila Shekhar, Nisha, Geeta, Padma Ravi, Gul, Dipti, Savita, Nargis. I'm sharing all your messages here. Mukta, thank you so much. I didn't have enough time actually to download these messages, put them in a presentation, and share. And that was the reason why I went ahead and just decided to share it through the tab from my WhatsApp message directly. My friend Radhika, thank you so much for congratulating and wishing us. Vijaya Dinakaran, thank you so much for your message. I really appreciate. If you're a buddy, please tell me that you are, in case if I'm missing out. At 80, I wish I could do more. Best moments I enjoyed in Dubai was watching you merrily working together at one place, distributing the finished product. Happy birthday. I wish I could do more, do more card tricks. Yes, so it was the fact that when we used to document all this and we used to take pictures, it was my father who used to ask the teenagers or the adult buddies, make them speak, talk to them, get more of an insight. And that actually gave me idea to continue doing that at other points. So we got coverage from media. It was thanks to buddies like Prema, and it was other buddies who wrote into the newspapers. We got coverage from them. And I would like to take a few minutes to just share my screen here. So this is actually our page, which is our Save Scrap and Sew. For this, I need to thank my brother who sponsors the website for us. And so 6 months down the line, when people started asking us, do you have a website? 2016, February is when the website came into being. We've just done this on ourselves, so it is not some expert kind of a thing, which is what we are all about. We are not about perfection at all. We are just about being efficient. And you can see here, this is the page where we have all the coverage by the newspapers, by the various media channels. This is where we have recorded and documented where all the things were handed over, where all the things were given. We are completely transparent. This is our story. Yes, I know that it needs a little updation from our side. The Facebook, the page, our Facebook and Instagram are way more active than what our website is, but that's because it needs efforts. And we are doing what we can, which, like I say to everybody, is just give it your best, do what you can, which is possible, and that's just fine. Apart from that, we had a few kids who came and took a video of our activity. They won some prizes with the CDA. I'm eternally grateful to Red Crescent and to the Islamic Affairs Department, which gave license to me to collect scrap from tailors and to work and to talk about it. Again, because there is no money involved, we do not sell anything. It is purely just whoever wants, they can do by themselves in their home. So if you want to become a buddy anywhere in the world that you are, all you need to do is send us a mail at savescrapandsew@gmail.com, or you can send me a message through the Facebook group. You can connect with us on Insta, and we will give whatever information is possible. Apart from this, on the YouTube channel, actually there is information on how to become a buddy, how to stitch sheet, how to make bags, how to make pillows. And yes, my mother-in-law, she uses these pillows when she's traveling particularly. And these are the pillows, the 4,500 pillows, which we've given away to construction workers. We've given away these pillows to children in school, in medical wards. And yes, the pillows, when we had too much of scrap, we made them into huge, big pillows and gave them away to rescue centers. So that was the kind of, when we got something, we just decided what to do with it, and we just went ahead and did. Yes, many times people ask me, what should I do? I have this kind of cloth, which is chiffon or georgette. And yes, you cannot stitch it. Even people who know how to stitch will have huge trouble. At that time, we say, just do the edges, put it like this so that it can help somebody either use it as a stole, use it as a scarf like this, covering the ears, covering the neck, and give little bit warmth to that person who really needs it at that particular time, because any cloth which can be used for covering yourself is actually very, very kind of, what should I say, it'll give protection. Some time back, I was attending some session, and there was a lady Ansi, and she said that actually for a child which is born, the first thing which touches its skin is the fabric, and how important that fabric is. And I realized, yes, isn't it true? Don't we try to seek cotton, soft fabric for the child which is born? And again, she said that the last thing which accompanies when you pass on to the other world is fabric, which is what covers. And the role of fabric is so important in our lives. So I never tell people that don't buy new things, don't get new clothes stitched. No, we celebrate our cultural, our personal happiness, achievements, everything with new clothes and with new fabric, which we buy for various reasons. So My message always is continue whatever you're buying, whatever you're doing, that is great. But when you get something staged or when it's coming from somewhere, find out what happens to it. When we talk about consumer behavior, it's usually about the pre-plan, it's about the actual purchase, and it's about the post-purchase. So from the pre to the middle, let us be more aware, more conscious about the post also. What happens to this fabric, this material? Where does it go? Who does it reach? Where does it land? Is it landing in the landfill? If it's landing in the landfill, can we do anything to stop it out there? Then please do. Sometimes, when we specifically get clothes or material scrap which is dirty, we just trash it. But you can make sure that what you have, you keep it safe, work along with it. Don't worry about what others are saying or whether others are doing or others are joining. You keep at it. That is more important. And for again, before I sign off today, I'll say, which is my message consistently, that efficiency is more important than perfection. Don't seek perfection. You may not find it. Everybody's perfection, the definition is different. Let us save the landfill, save Mother Earth bit by bit. Thank you so much for being here. I'm going to sign off. Shambhavi from Save Scrap and Sew. Please do like our Facebook page, follow it, like our Instagram, follow the YouTube channel, and give us some love and cheer and motivation. And you're welcome to become a buddy anytime. Thank you. Bye.